Hey guys, how you doing? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up calendars inside Go High Level software. So first of all, log in into the Go High Level software and go to the scheduling section. Here you will find an option called calendar. Click on it and you will be redirected to this page. Now you have to click on this button called go to calendar setting and now you will come to this window. Here you have to set your calendars which you can use to appoint, get booking for your business. So click on the new calendar and this form will open. So here it says team and event setup, and first of all you have to give the name of this calendar. Let's say test appointment calendar, and you can give the description also. And the appointment title, the appointment title will be the contact name. It will be used while creating appointments. So you can give the meeting location. You can choose any meeting location. You can also select the event color from this option. You can select any color. If you want to link this calendar to any other services, then you can do that. And the sync option will be one way or two way. So now click on save and continue. Now availability will open for you. Here you have to set how many time and days you are available for the meeting. So appointment slot setting. Here you have to give how many slot duration you are going to use this. Here you can choose the time. Slot duration will be 20 minutes. What will be the slot interval? Slot interval will be also 20 minutes. You can also give buffer duration between appointments. You can give 5 minutes. And here you have to give appointment per slots. How many appointment will be there per slot? And here you can give appointments per day. How many appointments you want to take per day? You can put it one here. Now you have to do scheduling notice. In here you have to give the number of days or the duration in which minimum scheduling notice will be delivered. So let's say 1 day, and you have to give the date range. You can also give it 1 day, and now you have to select the office hours. You can choose the date below for your office hours. If you want to work on Sundays, you can do that. You can work if you want to work on Saturdays, you can do that, or you can leave it. In this example, you are going to work only 5 days a week. Here you can select the date and time for the office hours. For in the Monday, you can take the appointments from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. From Tuesday, you can take appointments from 5 for 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. On Wednesday, you can also take appointments from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thursday also 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Friday also 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can change any of the settings. You can change the time. You can change. You can change the hour. You can change the minutes. You can change the AM and PM. You can choose the office hour according to your wish. And after that, click save and continue. So now the confirmation tab will open. Here you can select the form from which your appointment calendar will be booked. You can select a custom form or you can select a form you have created. And you can also get notification and additional options. You can configure notification and other miscellaneous options. Here it says let the calendar auto confirm my appointments. If you select this option, then calendar will auto confirm your appointments. And if you want to get an email notification, then you can give an email address here and you will be notified. And if for any reason you are not able to attend this appointment, then you can also reschedule it. So if you select this option, you will be able to allow people to reschedule it, and you can also allow people to allow cancellation. And here you can give additional notes such as phone number, email address. You can give reschedule link. You can give cancellation link. And if you are using some kind of Facebook advertisement, then you can add the Facebook pixel ID here, so you can track those appointments. You can even give custom code to customize your page and forms. And the final submission is after they book an appointment where they will be redirected. You can give them to a special URL or you can leave us a custom thank you message. Here after they will book an appointment, they will be shown this message. It will say thank you for your appointment request. We will contact you shortly to confirm your request. Please call our office at. You can give your mobile number or email ID if you have any questions. And after that, click on the complete button to complete this appointment calendar. So this is the new calendar inside GoHighLevel. When you click on this option, you will be redirected to the page where people can redirect and book appointments with you. So I hope you like this video, and if you want 14 days free trial of GoHighLevel, then you can click the link in the description, and you can share this video and like this video. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day.